Hey guys, it's me, Justin Duffy again, and today I just wanted to show you this flip phone I have that still works. Well, it's off right now. Hold on, I'll show you. Let me just see, it works. It just turned on. It's not Photoshop. This is actually working. This video is not edited in any way except jump cuts. As you see, this is actually moving. Like, see? It's, as you can see, it's still charging right now. I did not know this still worked. This has been like sitting in my room for a long time, and I did not know this worked. It's just full frame. It is also at the classic. Oh, it affected the screen kind of. Oh. Makes it kind of it's very cool. Didn't know this still worked at all. But I tried it once. It didn't work because, well, all I really did, I tried to push this button on the side. Then, it wouldn't turn on. So what I did is I just went ahead and plugged it into my phone charger. And it's charging now. That's incredible. Oh. Looks like a black and white effect when you put it like that. Kinda. Let's just stare at this screen. And I'll be right back as soon as this charges, guys. Because this thing takes a long time to charge. Because it's been like out for a long time and it would just drain the battery. But it's trying to recharge now for the first time in 2020. This is the first time I've actually seen, well, I've seen a flip phone before, but this is the first time I've actually done this in 2020 because not a lot of people use flip phones anymore. But I just wanted to see what this thing can do, because I've seen a flip phone that works before, but that was a long time ago. I was, when I was smaller, so I don't really remember it. But yeah, it's, pretty cool. And my phone is charging too. Okay. This is so cool. Wow. Hold on a second. Okay, so this is charging. Still, hold on. So this is my phone charger. This right here, hold on. I know, the brightness isn't really good right now. I can't turn my flashlight on right now. Because it's charging. Well, not because it's charging, because when I'm on video, as soon as I start videoing, I can't turn the flash on or off. Just hold on a second. Okay, so yeah, this is very cool. But that's pretty much it, for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed, me reviewing this flip phone that still works, which is charging. But that counts as it working if it's charging. If it won't charge, it's not working. It's like completely broken. But yeah, I hope you all had fun with this video. So that's it. Bye.